Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lade. On today's video I'm going to be remaking or reinventing Sisi Yemmies minced beef spaghetti jollof. That's a mouthful. Yeah, so some of the ingredients are paprika, spring onions, some peppers, tomato, ginger, garlic, onion, minced beef, curry, thyme, tinned tomatoes, and some spaghetti, of course. But yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you'd want to do is boil your spaghetti. I added some salt to this hot water, and then some oil, and then some spaghetti. It's pretty basic, nothing special. While the spaghetti is cooking, I went ahead and sauteed some onion in just a little oil because I wanted to do the meat, the minced meat. I wanted to brown the minced meat. Is that what they call it, or cook it? Anyways, you get the point. So I just had some onions, and then I added some green peppers. I think she added chilies, but this is what I had available. And then I added the minced meat, and then I just cooked it until it turned, brown, basically. Next thing would be to dissolve the tin tomato. I just added a little water to it, and then mix it so it's not as thick. It's just a little runny. And then after that, what I'm going to do is get a wok. I actually made mine in a wok. I got a wok, added a little oil, and then sauteed some onions, white onions, spring onions, and some green bell pepper. I also just added random peppers that I had lying around. And the quantity that I'm doing, I'm using 2 packs of spaghetti. That's why it's kind of a little bit different. It was a lot to work with. So I added the peppers and sauteed them until they fried a little bit. Then I added the tin tomatoes, and you'd want this to fry. Give it some time to fry so that you can turn it from sour to sweet, because you want to get that honey taste out of it. I learned that trick from Sisi Yemmies as well. And then the next thing you do is to add the minced meat to it and leave it to just sit there and cook until all the ingredients are well combined and married into each other. Moving on, with the same pan that I used to do the meat, I added some spring onions, tomato, and butter. And I'm just going to cook the tomatoes in some seasoning, which was paprika, thyme, curry, and some soy sauce. And I just let that, cook, and I'll show you what I did with that in a little bit. So the minced meat sauce, I added some bouillon powder and some salt. I also added some bay leaf, and then I just allowed that to do its thing for a little bit. I added some water, and yeah, it did make it creamy. Sisi Yemmies said it made it a little creamy, yeah. And then I added my spaghetti, and then I started to mix. This thing is hard work, you guys, and I used 2 packs. I think I should have used 1, but I used 2, and it came out okay, but I felt like there was not enough sauce. Remember our seasoned tomatoes from earlier? I added it at this time and gave it a good stir until all the ingredients were well combined. That's it, guys. Our minced beef spaghetti jollof is ready, and I'd like to say a quick thank you to Sisi Yemmies for this amazing recipe. You're just an amazing lady. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also like this video. Until next time, bye.